Okay guys, I got a 2006 Dodge Ram here, 1500. We're going to change the thermostat. I've already unbolted it. I want to show you where it's at. I lifted the hood for a little bit more light up under there. So I'm on the passenger side here. I'm just going to go right up underneath this bumper here. We're going to look at the engine, and it's to the left of the engine. Where the crankcase is, just go to the left. Let me get a little stable here so you can see. I've already pulled it out. Now it just sits right inside its home just like that, and this goes right on top of it. Two 10mm bolts. You're going to pull both of those out, and then the thermostat will come out in that direction. Spring goes towards the engine. Now when you buy a new one, it may not come with a new gasket. I don't know why they've been doing that lately, just to get a few more dollars, I guess. These are about 20 bucks. Gasket's about 8 bucks. The older Dodges came with the gaskets, and they're about 7 bucks for the whole thing. So it's just all about the money, I guess. Make sure you clean the back side of this thermostat housing. Make sure you clean the block itself all around here before you put the new one in. And that's it. Tighten her up. You should be good. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like. Please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.